Good guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to go for a hike to Waterfalls. I'll teach you how to do slowing down a waterfall. So using a long exposure, slow down the waterfall. A couple of things you need: tripod, camera, and then an ND filter, which is a neutral density filter. So what that means is like you can have a 6 stop, 10 stop, just darkens out your lens so you can do a long exposure during the day, then you can slow down the water. So it's about a 6.7k hike in with all the snow. So oh well, I'll talk to you when we get there. So we made it down to Wapta Falls. In summertime, these are so powerful falls, awesome to come see. But I knew that they'll probably be a little bit open right now. There's some just over here. So now I'll find up some spots, and then I'll find some spot, and then we can get into doing some long exposure to slow down a waterfall. Let's go. Alright, so that's up. So I found a pretty good decent waterfall. I'm going to set up my tripod here and get into it now to teach you. Normally I'd find a leading line or something like that so I can get something to follow it through and get a leading line to the waterfall. Today I'm just showing you how to do slow down the water. So first off, what you're going to need is ND filters. So that's my variable ND filter, so it goes from 6 to 9, and then I have my 10 stop BMW ND filter. The more that the stop is, the less light it's going to bring in. So I'm going to use a 10 stop for my Nikon. That's going to train you with this one here, and then we're going to actually bring it down to, like, you can bring it down to 20 seconds and they'll let some light in, but it'll bring a lot of the slow motion water. So let's jump into it, and we'll set up the camera. So with the camera all set up now, one big thing when you put your ND filter on, make sure you put it on manual focus, or you've used autofocus, focused it, and then switched it to manual focus. That's why it's going to stay in focus and have a sharp photo after you put the ND filter on. It's been before that I've had autofocus on, try to take a photo, and then it just keeps trying to go in and out of focus because I can't see anything because it's too dark. That's the only problem with the ND filter. Also, second one is when you're doing a long exposure, the 2 dashes, say I've got one right here, with the 2 dashes, that's 1 full second. So say you put it down to 20 seconds, you'll have a full 20 seconds exposure, meaning like your shutter is open for the full second or 20 seconds before it closes. And that is how you do your long exposure. Alright, sorry for the shake on this because I only have one tripod. So that's 2 seconds. At aperture f1.11, ISO of 160, let's go and see how we go. So this is taking off the ND filter, so I'm going to show you the clips before and the after. So before I put the ND filter on and how the water normally goes in a photo, and then when you actually put the ND filter on, and there's the silky smooth photos you can get from it. Alright, so that's how you do slowing down waterfalls and you get that nice silky smooth motion. I'm gonna hang around here and start taking some more photos. And then, otherwise, thanks for watching. You have a good day. I will see you in the next video. Peace.